Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to add sections in Google Form. So let's get into the video. Start by opening the Google Form you would like to add section to. Now start by adding a question or selecting an existing question where you want to start the section. Now at the right corner you will see some icon. From here, click on this. It will immediately add a new section to your form. Simply click on it. As you see, a new section is created. Click on Untitled section to name the section and a description. Then preview your form to ensure the sections are in the order you want. Make adjustments if needed. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.